What?
Do you remember that when Garrett was running? He was like normally, I found out.
Yeah, I was like this.
Well, who is saying this?
I'm Caitlin. And what's your name? I'm Caitlin and I'm Leah, and we're about to take you on a nature walk.
I'm Caitlin and I'm Leah.
She's supposed to say.
To show you how neat nature is, instead of us just knowing it.
Yep.
Should we be like hard ass? No, I would be funny though.
Dun, dun, dun. There's a car coming.
I wish it was.
Right.
Hey, a beer can.
How neat is that?
That's pretty neat. I'm about to climb a mountain. It's called the Valley City Dike. Here we go. At least you can't see my butt this time.
That's a landslide or one time too, and then that's when the cops came last time.
Can I cause the landslide?
Yeah, but don't get the landslide. Don't get us in it. Get just the rock slide.
You have to be at the bottom running away from the landslide.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh shit. Smells like some real shit in here. I said, fuck you, sir. Oh! Come on. I could have given you some tennis shoes.
Here's your gun, bro.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Got it. Right now.
That's me.
Pack a gun. We hear the river behind. Okay.
I wish it wasn't totally illegal to climb the dike. I know.
Jesus, tits.
This is a fun nature walk, man.
Alright.
Alright, ready?
How am I doing this again? Let me just,
Find some
I had to find a good rock, though. I told Jimmy to be on the rock. I don't see any more rocks. That's a big one, though.
Well, check in there.
For some nature. Can't find any rocks to start some nature.
Booty, 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 booty. Oh, we spotted something at the Pink Flamingo.
The tire's flat.
This is the shirt I was gonna wear on Friday. I should have worn it.
Hey, get that fucking camera out of here.
You're not 20.
This ain't no fucking
but they
reality
wouldn't have
TV.
known. Yeah, it is. Nature walk.
Hi.
Nature. That's pretty neat.
How neat is that?
Pack some meat.
It's not a Neanderthal. It's a frick.
Is he awake?
I don't know. Close it in his face.
I only see your face. I see your face. Oh, I see him. He's sleeping.
It's like the cave of 1,000 sleeping
Oh
beings.
my god.
What?
Did you wake up?
No, your shadow was in the mirror. Like, when you said that, your shadow popped up.
Okay. That was cool.
Do that?
Yeah?
Alright. Should we say, you should say it's quite a night, and I'll say it's quite a night for nature, that is.
It's quite a night.
Quite a night for nature, that is.